The reason you're all here, it's for a great reason. The reason you're here is because you have worked hard. You're here because you have decided to be a success. You've decided to do that.
I would definitely recommend Coleg Gwent because it's that really nice bridge to independence, and you're thoroughly supported by all the staff. You feel thoroughly engaged in all of your lessons. Your lecturers are on the ball all the time. They're making sure you know what you're doing. They're making sure you're progressing in lessons, and more importantly, they're making sure that you're having a good time. I couldn't ask for a safer, happier, friendlier learning environment.